Let's test this pellet meteor. Okay, this is about 19 grains, I think. So our target is the same. It's about 15 yards. Okay, so these are the resize pellets. So I always use resize pellet for consistency. Resize but unsorted. Okay, so 5 shots group using resize meteor. Look at that group. That's a very tight group. It's almost pellet on pellet accuracy. So Corona barrel. Okay, so you can use it using Astro 18 and Meteor, but make sure to resize it because it's very tight in the barrel if you do not or you didn't resize it. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you for watching.